Hello guys, this is Gabby and we have two packages that came yesterday in the post for me. Are you excited to see what's inside? Okay, let's not keep you in tension. This is the first one and whoa, guess what is this? You remember my sad story about my Sony a6000 camera that broke accidentally? And I told you that the reason maybe in this small ring and part of it that got broken and stuck into the lens zooming mechanism. And till today it's not working. So I dedicated my life to find rings and to order them for a cheaper price. I found in AliExpress and I got two of them because they were on the amazing price of 40 cents. So if I break one of them, I will use the other one. And soon we're gonna do a repair video of my a6000 Sony camera. Let's see if I can make this camera works again. I really miss it. I started doing YouTube since 3 months, let's say today. And since the first day I miss this camera very much because it's mirrorless camera. It's very professional. It gives amazing quality. As I said before, the only flaw was that it doesn't have the cable that fuse it with the microphone. But for a second camera it would be very good because I want to give you guys an overview from the top when I unbox stuff. Anyway, this was the first package. We'll see what we will do with this and the camera in some next video.